I will put on record. Thank you very much, Will. You helped a lot.
No problem.
Can you share your screen? I think I already, yeah.
Let me know when.
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, cool.
It's very good.
All right, so
you have
my try statement is an error, and so it's because it says try without catch, finally, or resource declaration.
So you don't have catch block? Do you have catch block?
Well, I have catch down here, but I don't exactly know.
Maybe you got your catch block, you know, you get your catch block in the wrong place. That's what I'm guessing.
So here's the curly bracket for the try statement. So
for the try.
Yeah.
Okay, so, then you cannot put catch within try.
Oh,
you need to get your catch outside of, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it would go here.
Catch, and the other catch, but why it complains?
I'll check that error in a sec. Let me get the syntax looking good here. Okay, let's see. Now for never thrown corresponding try statement.
Yeah, maybe you did you have any internet to see? If you don't have any internet, you can get rid of this. And then you use local files.
Oh, right. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So that's only if you're referencing a file URL.
Yeah.
Okay. So then I'm just going to walk through what I have here. I have all the imports that are needed to scan a file and then scan from an import, and then also have the exceptions.
Yeah, very good.
So quick question. I'm still trying to understand throws. So this is like,
oh, you already have this. And then can you comment, can you add a curly brackets before throw? Add a curly brackets before throw.
Like right here.
And the comment throw that get 2/ to the comments. Yeah. And then let's see if it complains.
Doesn't look like it.
You don't need that because you already take care of throw file, not found exception. Because you already have try catch to take care. Then you don't need this. It's because some program when they write, they don't have any try catch. Then their main will throw that file not found exception.
I got you. So
you can only put the exception handling in one place. You either use try catch to deal with it, or you just do throw in main.
I got you.
If you handle it in main, okay.
So throws, file not found exception, is that an interface?
No, throw is not. Exception is an object. You remember?
Oh, okay. I got you.
It's not an interface.
All right. We haven't talked about it in a while, and I was just kind of trying to remember how it works.
Throw is not an interface. Okay.
Okay. So when I say throw file not found exception,
that's an object.
It's adding an object to the class. That way, if there's a problem,
it create. Basically, here this throws. That just means your program somewhere will do throw. So if you don't have catch block, then within your try, you should add a throw statement. Throw new file not found exception. That new file not found exception will create an exception object. And over here, you don't need that because your try will throw that, and that exception object will be caught by your catch block. That makes sense?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, there's no reason to have both exception handling. Okay, so let me try and run this real quick. Okay. So I got IO errors. So I have it in this location. Does it have to be in the same location where everything is stored?
Yeah, your project. Where is your project? You need to get them into your project.
Okay, where am I going?
Yeah, just you can no, not in source.
Oh.
No. Go back to here. Yeah, no, in this folder. Yeah, paste it here. Paste. It's stuck there. You need to paste it here within this folder. Copy to this folder, to Lab 7 folder. Hello? Yeah.
Can you still hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. A while ago, I cannot hear anything. It's kind of stuck.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it does that. It's so frustrating.
We can go back to try to see.
Here.
Yeah, you can try to go back.
This again. Okay, I tried to run the wrong thing, maybe. Okay.
Yeah, it did find it. Did you see?
Awesome.
It says it. Yeah.
Right.
Just remember.
And so if I wanted to have it in a different location,
then you need to give the complete path name.
Okay, and where would I put that at? In here? Or
no, because over here you just enter file name. This file name you entered is within your project.
Right.
So that won't work if you do this.
So if I
that's generally hard coded, you know, because over here it's you running this project in this folder. Okay, in this specific place.
So I couldn't do this.
You can do that. No, that also won't work because it needed to know the absolute path name. So absolute is the hard drive.
I gotcha.
Yeah, if you go to our course website, I remember we have that example. Go to file.
Actually, I think I'll probably, do you remember what it's called? Because I think I already have it in my recents.
I don't remember which example. Anyway, it's some file IO example. File IO is in which part? Over here, it should list file IO. File IO, yeah. Yeah, over here, maybe you can take a look. You just open the Java file in any, we just need to read the Java file. Yeah, you can just open the Java file to view it. I don't remember exactly which one. Did you find it? Did it?
I'm trying to.
I cannot see it. Maybe not here. Is it? You can scroll up, scroll all the way up. Oh, no. Just go through, scroll down a little bit. Maybe not this one then.
Yeah, I don't think it's this one.
Then maybe, I don't know. I don't remember which one, but one of it gave, not this one also.
It's not.
Not this one. I don't think it's the, no, the file name, I don't remember.
It's all good. We'll see if we can find it here.
No, not here.
My downloads folder is going to be full by the end of this.
No, yeah, that's okay. Not this one. It's the one that show file property.
Test file, file exception.
Test file, maybe. I don't remember. Maybe that one. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Did you see? This tells, okay, you go to certain.
I see.
Yeah, go to certain. But this is still under your current folder. Okay. Right. Under your current folder, you have another folder called image. Is it? Yeah. And so you can run. Can you run that program in? No. You cannot do that.
I know. I was just going to show. So what you're saying is it would be in this folder, but it would be.
Yeah, you have create another folder. You create another folder. You got all of the baby files in that folder. Then that will work. Yeah. So in this folder, you create another folder. So suppose you call it baby files. So can you create a new folder? Hello? Hello? It's stuck. Okay. Can you create a new folder? Yeah.
Yeah.
Called baby. Yeah. So called
So
image. Then, yeah, called image. Then you get off the files.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
You get off the files. You can copy off the baby files there. You can make a copy. Copy of the baby text files there.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, you can try that.
Okay. All right.
No, you keep that. Yeah, you can. Yeah, baby name, and then copy them here. Yeah. Okay, then go back to your program. And this time when you run, and you can type baby names / the file name. Let's see if it's working. Okay.
What is it? Baby name rankings?
I don't remember.
Me neither. Baby names ranking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So, because it's your file name is a string. If you want to have it in different, then you need to give the paths. Okay. You cannot just give the file name. It has no way to find it. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's clear? That's all your question?
Yeah, that's all I had.
Oh, okay. No other question, is it?
I haven't started on the homework yet. So,
So just keep that in mind, the major point, okay, for the exception handled. You either do try catch within a method. Okay, and it's not you mandatory need to have catch. You can also have throw, just throw. You don't have catch block. Then in that case, within your try, you need to throw some new exception. Okay, and then your method then needed to have that to throw the exception. That's at the beginning you say, oh, why my main have that throws? Is it because maybe you get it from some other example? In the other example, that other example doesn't have try catch block. That makes sense.
Yeah, and I guess I have another quick question.
Yeah.
So this is the way that I got it to basically go through. So let me pop open one of these real quick.
Yeah.
So I guess it automatically knows to use the space.
Let's see, this is integer, then tab or something. Anyway, a lot of space, then name.
Right.
After name is, what is that?
I guess the ranking. I don't know. Or how many times it's used, probably.
Oh, so that's a boy's name, girl's name, is it? And how many times? Okay, then let's get back to your code.
Okay, so I was just wondering, so
can you zoom in more?
Yeah, sorry.
That's okay.
So you tell it.
What do you mean?
I'll try and explain it here.
Uh-huh.
So they enter file name and you get your file name in it. Yeah. And then once you reference your file name, this is what basically opens the file, right?
Yeah.
It opens the one you're referencing, and then you're telling it to scan it.
Yeah.
So you're going to read the file that you've opened.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you do array list. So B list, which is the boy list, is it's creating a new array to store those those strings, right? So then
what is the S list?
Same list. So it's like the two combined. So if there's two names that are the same.
Oh, okay. There's the two names the same. Okay, I don't know that. Okay.
Well, it says in the prompt, it says, write a program that prompts the user to enter one of the file names describes and displays the names that are used for both genders in the file. So it just basically puts them all together.
Okay. Then you start, yeah.
Yeah. So it does string rank. So I'm just confused how it knows what piece to select from the document, because this is the only way I've been able to get it to work, but I'm still kind of confused how it knows to like not use the integer and it goes to the name. So how does it know? Like, does it
because
iterate?
over here, the scan, when scan does, it uses space.
Oh, okay.
Space
That's
is
the default.
delimitate.
Mm-hmm.
Space is the delimitate. You know what I mean, delimitate? So it uses that to get each word out.
Right. So you could specify like a period as the delimiter, and then
yeah. You can do that. Yeah. Right. Yeah, just you remember for string has a method split. You remember? String has a method called split. If you don't specify, generally speaking, okay, if you don't specify, it by default uses space, whatever space, to get each word out. We call that a tokenization. Okay, but if you specify, like for split, you specify, okay, I'm going to use period, comma, whatever, etc. Then it will read, okay, until it sees that, it will do the extraction. So then at that time, in that case, then space won't work. It uses whatever you specify.
Okay, that makes
but
sense.
in this case, because the file is formatted using space, so that's why next, it will just get whatever the next space following. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Yeah.
Yeah, so it gets the rank,
mm-hmm.
and then it gets the number,
mm-hmm.
and that just stores those values. And then when it comes down here to set the names, I'm trying to remember. Okay. And this just causes it to iterate through those.
Yeah. Just loops through the boys' name list. Through boys' name list. And each of the boys' name. And then it goes to find that specific name. Then it will check, because you have G list that contains names. Is it? Mm-hmm. So that means you're going to find if that name also exists in girls list. If it is also, then you add it to the S list. Otherwise, you won't add it. Mm-hmm. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Very good. You got it. Yeah. That's a very good question. Yeah. That's a very good question for that exception, because a lot of new learners, kind of get confused regarding that. Yeah, why main is it also throws the exception? Yeah. Okay, very good. Any other questions? Anyone?